Unveiling the Mystery. What does wax and wane mean? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, wax and wane. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books, and it's quite a poetic way to describe certain situations. So if you're ready to add another phrase to your English vocabulary, let's dive right in. The phrase, wax and wane, is a common idiomatic expression. It's derived from astronomy but is used to describe any process that grows and then decreases in strength or size. The word, wax, means to grow larger or increase, whereas wane means to become smaller or decrease. Imagine a moon that appears to grow fuller each night until it becomes a full moon, and then slowly starts to shrink or diminish until it becomes a new moon again. This is where the expression comes from, but it's now used to talk about more than just the moon. Let's see how to use wax and wane in some sentences. The politician's popularity waxed and waned over his term in office, depending on his policies and public opinion. Her confidence waxed and waned as she went through different phases of life. Interest in the new product waxed and waned as reviews came out and trends changed. These examples show how wax and wane can describe the dynamic nature of almost anything that can increase and then decrease over time. Learning idioms such as wax and wane is important because it helps you understand native speakers better and express yourself in more colorful and nuanced ways. Idioms can add flavor to our conversations and often convey meanings more vividly than literal language. Moreover, idioms reflect cultural history and can be a fun window into the values and past of a language. By using idioms, you show a deeper level of language proficiency and cultural understanding. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of wax and wane for you. Next time you see or hear this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and might even use it yourself. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey that certainly has its own phases of waxing and waning. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.